morning. Very good morning, children. How are you all? Doing good? Yes. Then, had your breakfast? Yes. Then, what you people are doing? Are you completing your notes? No, you are not getting any notes. Why? Only one or two only they sent. What about others? Please children, those who not completed the notes, please complete it. I already told you, FA1 is very near to you. Yes, you need to prepare, right? Then, if you not complete the notes, it is difficult for you, right? So, please complete your notes and send it in the group for correction. Okay? Yes, those who not completed. Yes, workbook, textbook and notes, everything. Okay, it should be completed. Okay? Okay, then shall we start the class? Let's tell me what is the date today? Today the date is 3. Yes. September month 2021. Today is Friday. We have English subject. So let us see what is the thought for the day. Dreams don't work unless you do. Dreams will not work unless you do it. Okay? Yes. Then we will start. Yes. Take out your workbook. See, we are in model 2. Right? Model 2. So take out your English workbook part 1. Yes, please take it, children. Till where we completed? Yes, we completed till page number 22. Yes. What all we learned in previous class? Do you remember, children? Tell me those who remember. Yes, we learned punctuation marks. Yes, then rewrite the sentence. Yes, with correct punctuation marks. Yes, then what we learned? Capital letters, where we need to use the capital letters, rewriting the sentence we did, right? Then what else we did? Then underline the places which is incorrect. Is that also we did? Yes, exercise 3.3. Then apostrophe for singular possession. That also we did. Apostrophe is also used to show belongings or possessions. Okay, that something is belonging to someone. Okay, we use the apostrophe with the letter yes. Correct. This and all we learned apostrophes. Which is correct apostrophe sentence and which is wrong apostrophe sentence also we saw. Yes. Then rules also we learned. Yes. What is the rules, children? First rule is if the noun is singular, then you need to add apostrophe yes. Okay. Example like the tail of a dog. Like that they have given. Then now you need to use apostrophe there. Then how you will use the sentence? How you will write the dog's tail. Okay. The dog's dog. Then apostrophe yes. Okay. Then rule 2. If the noun is singular and ends with s. When the noun is singular and it is ending with s, still we need to add apostrophe and yes. Okay. Example, the wheel on the bus. Then how you write? The bus's wheel. The bus's wheel. The wheel is belong to the bus. Okay. Anyhow, F is being ended. Then too you should give apostrophe and yes. Okay. Yes. Hope you are understanding, right, children? Yes. Apostrophe with possessive pronouns is where the possessive pronouns are there. Where we should use what we should use? Yes, incorrect, correct, everything we saw, right? Examples like yours, yours. For that, no need apostrophe. Okay, yours you can write. Then hers, hers, no need apostrophe for that. Its, for pronouns and all, possessive pronouns and all, no need to give apostrophe yes. Okay, yes. Then we completed, right, that and all in the last class. So in this class we learn about how to write formal writing. Okay, message writing. How we will write the message? Let us see. Okay, message is a way to communicate or share your thoughts and feelings. Let us look at few situations in which you can write message. Okay, so here message is a way to communicate. Yes, and you can share your thought and feelings also through message. Okay. So let us look at few situations which you can write message, where you can write message. Let us see. Message to apologies. Apologies is saying something mistake you are done, you are asking apology, sorry. Okay, how you will write? Let us see. Message. Okay, everybody makes mistakes sometimes. Everybody will make mistakes. Even I make mistake, you also make mistake, right children? In this world everybody will make mistakes. Without mistakes nobody will do, right children? Yes, without mistakes nobody can do. Nobody is perfect here. Yes, all are learning only. When I am learning, you are learning. Yes children, we are not perfect, right? We will do mistakes. That is the human nature. Okay, sometimes we will make mistakes, not all the time. Okay, and it is important to apologize. Yes, sometimes even we will do some mistakes in the video also. Yes, instead of writing grade 3, grade 4 like that, we forget and write other class. Yes, also, right? Then we will, what we will do, we will ask apologies in the group. Yes, sorry for the inconvenience, like that, right? We are asking the apologies because we have done the mistake. You people also, if you do the mistake, you will also ask apologies like this, right? Yes. So how you will ask apologies? That message how you will write? Let us see. Okay. And it is important to apologize when we do so. When we do mistakes, we should ask the apology. Okay. A short apology message. Short apology message. No need very long apology message. Okay. Will make both you and other person feel better. Yes. Then only you will also feel better. Even I, by telling, sorry children, I wrote like this. Sorry children, I told like this. I will be telling, right? Yes, just I am asking because I have done mistake there. That's why I am asking sorry. Even you people also, sorry ma'am, I didn't write the name. Sorry ma'am, I didn't read. Sorry ma'am, I didn't do the homework, like that, right? You are asking sorry, apologies you are asking, right? Yes, all does mistakes. So you should ask the apology. Why? Because they also not get hurt. They should also not get hurt. We should also not get hurt because of that. Okay. It will make us feel better. Okay. When you write a message of apology, say that you are sorry. Yes. Whenever you are asking apology, first you should say sorry. Okay. And also mention what you are sorry for. What purpose you are asking sorry also you should mention there. There are some expressions you can use. Here some expressions they are given that you can use. What is that? I am sorry for being late yesterday. Yes, I am sorry for being late yesterday. I apologize for getting too. Yes, I am sorry, like that. Then I am sorry I was rude to you. Yes, I am sorry. Sometimes we will get angry and we will do rudeness. Yes, children, it is human nature, right? Yes, there we will ask sorry. I am sorry that my actions or words hurt you. Yes, sorry if I hurt you, if I done something wrong for you. Please, what you are asking here? Sorry for this. Sorry if I hurt you means I am really sorry. Like that we will ask, right? You people also ask, right? Yes, like that. You can use this and all when you are writing a message for an apology. Okay. Messages to express thanks. Yes. After apologies also you can use these points, and to ask thanks also few points they have given. We will see what is that. Okay. We have often been in situation where we have needed people to help us. Yes, here many people, each and everybody need help, children, right? Each and everybody needs help. You need help of us, yes, to teach you. Yes, we also need help from you because you also should write and send for us, right? So we should both have an understanding. Yes, we should help each other. Okay. Writing a short message of thanks is a nice way to thank them for their help. For their help, we should say the thanks because they have given the help for us. We need to thank them. Okay. Here are useful expressions that you can use. Yes, to ask thanks. Here are some points you can use that. Okay. Thanks so much for. Yes, thanks. Something you have done is thanks to do so much for me. Like that. Okay. And you can ask thanks a lot also. Thanks a lot for doing this, doing that, like that. Reasons you can tell. Then thank you. I really appreciate. Thank you. I really appreciate. Your way of reading is good. Writing is good. Your handwriting is good, like that. Okay. Then thank you. I couldn't have without your help. I couldn't have done this work without your help. Thank you very much. Like that also you can use these words, these points. Okay. Remember children, you can use this and all for writing any messages like thanks and apologies. Okay. Then turn next page, page number 24. Messages to express sympathy. Yes, express sympathy means if you are feeling the poor child or poor person, you feel you are so sad, how he is like this. Yes, you will say right. That is sympathy or showing sympathy to a person. Okay, about that, let us see. Often when people go through difficult situation, they feel lonely. Yes, when the difficult situation will go, there the people will feel lonely, alone we will feel. Okay, they feel that nobody can understand their pain or otherwise or other than themselves. Yes, our pains we will only understand, others cannot understand, right? So we will tell they are not understanding my situation, they are not understanding my problem. We say like that, right? Yes, even I don't know what is your problem, even you people don't know what is my problem, right? So we have these problems. So you can write a sympathetic message you can write to let them know that you care about them. They should not think that you don't understand. You should make them that you can understand their problem. You should tell them in this message, you can tell them, I can understand you, I know your feelings. Hereafter this will not happen, we will help each other, we will be happy with each other, like that. You can give the sympathetic message for them. Okay. You can include the following sentences in your message also, like this points it is there. Let us read that points. I am saddened by your loss. I am very sad because you are not there. Okay, if any one person, your friend is missing that day, he is absent for that day, then how you feel? Ayo, I am missing my friend. You will say, no, yes, I was very sad because you were not there yesterday with me, right? I feel very bad, like that, I feel very sad. You will say, right? This you can use. Then I am with you in this time of sorrow. When somebody is feeling very sad, we should be with them. We should give a good words to them that they can come out from that sadness, right? Then next, words cannot express how sad this makes me feel. Yes, words we cannot express our sadness. Sometimes something happens, we are not able to express. Just we will cry. Yes, just the drops will come from our eyes. But we are not able to express what sadness is inside our heart. Yes, we don't know. Others, they don't know how sad we are feeling, they will not understand. But we will cry because we don't know how to express that sadness. So what happens? Suddenly the tears come from our eyes. Yes, children? Yes. Then please know that my thoughts and best wishes are with you at this time. Whenever the person is sad, then you can use this word. Please know that my thoughts, I have good feeling about you. And best wishes, you will definitely win. You don't worry at all. You will definitely win in the sports, or definitely you will get good marks in your exams. Like that you can wish the person. Okay. Like this sympathetic way, you can give a message to them with a loving way. Okay. Then they also feel better and they will also work hard for that. Right? Yes. Like this you can use the messages to write. Yes, children. Next, your friend Rishabh's pet dog Lislai passed away last night. Lislai was with Rishabh for 12 years. They were very close. Rishabh is sad. Write a message to Rishabh sharing your sympathy for his loss. You know, here simply you think you have a friend. He is Rishabh. Okay, Rishabh. He had a pet dog, Leslie. Leslie is a pet dog's name. Okay. So that dog passed away last night. It is died. Passed away means it's died. Okay. So Rishabh was 12 years with that dog. 12 years he was with that dog only. He was very close with that dog. Okay. Rishabh is very sad. So what? In sympathy, to give sympathy way, how you will write the message? You have to share a sympathy of that loss. No? So how you will write the message? Here that you will see. Sorry about your dog. Okay. Let us read that, children. Yes. Page number 24. See. Sorry about your dog. Okay, heading you can write like this. Then you can write the date and time also when you are writing this message. Then you will write dear Rishabh because your friend, dear friend only, right? So you will use dear friend. Always when you are writing about yourself, I only you should start. I am sorry to hear the news of Lisai passing away. I know that you were very close to her. Yes, what it is written here. He is asking that sorry to hear that dog has been died. Yes, it's passed away. That he knows about that dog is very close to him. Okay, she made you laugh even during difficult times. Yes, the dog was very lovingly with that boy, right? So whenever he was in a difficult situation, the dog made him laugh. Okay. Even in that situation, the dog was there. But now the dog is not there. He is feeling sad. I cannot imagine how hard it must be for you right now. Yes, we can understand the loss. How you are feeling, we can understand that like that. As friend is telling. Try to think of the good memories that you and Lisa shared. You and the dog, how much of memories, good memories you have, no? That you think like that friend is telling to him. Okay, I am here if you feel like talking, anything you want to talk, you want to get relaxed, then please you come and talk to me, like that friend is telling. Okay, then he is telling, take care Rishabh. Then you should ask them, take care, don't worry, like that. Okay, then at last you will write love Mehek. Okay, love your name also you can write, no problem. Like this you can convey the message. This message only, letter writing also. You can say it is a letter also, no problem, but it is message only. Okay, then next we have exercise 4. Write a message to your aunt, thanking her for taking you to an art exhibition. Fill in the blanks with the help of the promotes given below. What you should write? You should write a message to your aunt. Okay, she's thanking for her to take. She's taking an art exhibition for you. Yes, so you have to thank her. So you should fill the blanks. See, I have filled here. 17th August. I have written 17th August. You can write today's date only, no problem. Okay. Then timing. When you are writing this, you can write that timing also, no problem. Okay. Then, dear auntie. Okay. Dear auntie. Already it's there. I can't tell you how happy I am after visiting the art exhibition. Yes, I am. Always capital letter I told you, right? So I have written I in capital letter. I am after visiting the art exhibition. Write down now itself, children. That you took me for. Yes. I can't tell you how happy I am after visiting the art exhibition that you took me for. You know me so well and understand my interest in art pieces by various artists. Okay, write down my interest in art pieces by various. Can you see, children? Various artists. ARTISTS. Okay, then full stop. Then it was wonderful to see all the awesome awesome pieces on display. Thank you so much. Okay, can you see? Yes, please copy, children. Then off from work just to take there. Okay, then you are the best aunt in the world. Your lovingly niece, Reshma. Okay, write down. Watch the video and complete it, children. Yes, complete it. Then next we have diary entry. Yes, creative writing. Here diary also you can maintain writing. Diary writing also is a good habit, right, children? Whatever happened, yours daily what happened. Example, today what happened, you can write it in one diary. Then in past, whenever you will my diary, you can see what has happened in your life. You can recall. Yes, this had all happened, right? How it was like that. You can think. So diary writing also is good only. Let us see how to write diary writing also. Okay, diary is a notebook in which one can write about things that happen in everyday life. Yes, in your everyday life, what happened, that you can write and keep it in the diary. Yes. We write diary entries to remember day-to-day things and share our thoughts. Okay, for what purpose we are writing diary? We are writing diaries to remember day-to-day things, what has happened. And we are sharing our thoughts, whatever the ideas we are getting that, and what all we are feeling, yes, that. Then what hopes we have kept, that also. What disappointments had happened, that also. Even our dreams, what I have to become in future. Dreams about that also you can write in your diary. Okay, you can maintain one diary. Then turn next page, page number 26. Look at the following sample of your diary. Here sample of a diary they have shown. I will show you. See children. Here date, first date, okay. Then you will write a greeting, okay. That is dear diary. You always use dear diary, okay, because you are telling it to diary only, not to other person, okay. So you can write dear diary, okay. Then I really had a great day today. Just a sample, just I am reading, listen. I really had a great day today. I turned 9 years old. I had my favorite cake, Black Forest. Okay, my best friend Yasser got me a big jigsaw puzzle. I am waiting to open it and play with it. My other friend Nitya made a beautiful wall hanging of a dog for me. She knows that I love dogs. My parents are planning a trip to Kerala this weekend so that we can celebrate my birthday. I am feeling so happy and loud. Okay, puja. Like that you can write like this in this format. Okay, this is the content of the diary entry. Okay, this you can write. Diary entries are always written in first person. First person only should write. Who written the diary, they only should write. Your diary others should not write. Your diary you should only write. Okay, yes, use informal languages. Informal languages, what you are feeling only you can use that. No need very big words which you are not understanding and all. No need to write it in that page. Okay, you can write whichever however you like. Okay, then next exercise 5. Imagine you were given a chance to explore the world. Where would you go? What would you like to see? Write the details of trip in your diary. Yes, you like to go somewhere in world, any one place. Which place you will choose? Huh? Where are you will go and see? Yes, even what you will like to see that? That you should write a detailed trip of that in your diary. Detailed trip of that. Okay, in your diary you can write it. See example I have written like this even in page number 27. Okay, see Friday 15th. Okay, you can write any date, your wish. Okay, which month, which year you can write. Okay, then dear diary, always you should start when you are writing diary, dear diary only you should start. I was lucky enough to win a trip for 2 in a competition. Okay, so mummy and I went to the capital of India, New Delhi, where we went to Delhi. Just simply I written, you can write wherever you went. Okay. We saw many beautiful monuments. We saw many beautiful monuments such as the Qutub Minar and Humayun's tomb. Okay. Mummy and I also visited the Delhi Zoo and went to a few popular restaurants in the city. The trip was very exciting and there was 50 much to explore. How much it was to explore, to see that surrounding and all, there were more than 50, okay. Both mummy and I learnt a lot. We learnt a lot by seeing that monuments, that this, okay. I wish we could stay there for a few more days. Yes, we like to stay a few more days there. Okay, but we had to return 2 weeks as my school was reopening. Yes, so in holidays only we are going trip and all. But the school will reopen very fast. Then we need to come back, right? We can't stay there only. But we like to stay some more days, but we can't, right? So we should come back. If we had some time, I would have liked to explore. Yes, time is there means I would have explored more. The city, okay, city even more also I would have explored. I felt sad when I had to come back home after the trip. Yes, after the trip I felt very bad to come back home. Okay, yes, then you will write your name here, okay. Because you are writing the diary, you should write your name here, okay. So please children watch the video and complete it. Okay? Yes. So we completed this lesson, right? Yes. We completed the module 2 workbook also. Yes children? Yes. From next class we will start the revision also. So today what all we learned? We learned yes, what all we learned? Apostrophe for singular possession. Yes, then diary entry, then message writing. Yes, these all we learned today, right? Yes. Complete this classwork, everything children. Okay. You are not at all completing and sending. Please complete it and send it. Those who not completed the notes also complete and send it before the FA1. Okay. Then I will start the revision also. That also you need to copy. So it will be more burden for you. So please now itself you complete it. Then revision if you want to write, you will not get burden. Okay. Don't keep more pending. Then only it is burden for you. That day's work if you finish that day itself, there is no burden. Right children? Yes. So please complete it and send it in the group for correction. Then we will meet you in the next class. Bye.